You're gonna hear Nora Green from the Juvenile Domestic Relationship Court.
Hey Nora, how you doing? This is Mike Elder. Listen, I got the amended order that shows that the young lady wasn't there, and I'm wondering what grounds is the bond? Is it 16 point? As far as the bond is being required for me to appeal a case that I already asked for you to see the court. I contested the jurisdiction of the court before we went into court.
Well, because you contested to me doesn't mean you're contesting it to the judge telling me.
I mean, but I had to put a motion in. I put a motion in, it goes to the judge.
So you wrote a letter.
So the letter's not good as a motion.
You needed to go in and speak with the judge. Telling me what's wrong or what should be done is not arguing your case in court.
Okay, so when I file a motion with the clerk, it doesn't go to the judge.
That wasn't a motion. You wrote a letter.
Yeah, but when the letter doesn't go to the judge neither?
But the judge saw that. It was in the file.
Okay, so he just ignored it.
Well, I don't know if he ignored it. You weren't in there to argue your side of the case.
I was in there. She wasn't there, remember?
No, the first hearing.
No, I'm talking about the recent hearing.
I don't know what the timeline was. If you filed it before the first hearing or after?
I filed it on the 21st of December. Way before.
Before the first hearing?
Right, way before. Filed it with Circuit Court. Commonwealth Attorney sent you a copy.
Right, but it's not a case they participate in. It's a civil matter, so they're not involved in it. But,
okay. You don't have a problem with...
You can't go into court and argue your side of the case.
Right, but you can get a judge paperwork like you said you give it to him, he ignores it.
You have the paperwork.
Okay.
But you have to go in and present your side of the case.
Okay. I thought I...
argue people's cases.
Okay, well, I do that, but he don't pay no attention when I go in there either, so it ain't no good even sitting in there or being there. Okay, well, like I said, I'm going to appeal it, and like I said, I've fired my attorney. I'm going to let Ms. Hamsek know that I'm not going to deal with Mr. Gardner.
Well,
I want another attorney.
You and Ms. Helmsteller.
Okay, all right.
Thank you.
Again, that was Nora Green of the Juvenile Domestic Relationship Court this past Friday. They continue to ignore documentation that I give to the court. When I go into the court, I'm not allowed to express my voice. I'm not read to charges. Nobody shows up. They put people being there on the forms. They gave me lawyers who are not lawyers. They kicked me out the court. They gave me public defenders, and I've got complaints against the public defenders. These people, dirt rotten.